This is Jared over at Simple Fusion, and today I'm going to teach you how to download and use CCleaner. Now I'm sure you're asking, what is CCleaner? Well, CCleaner is an application that searches through your hard disk and finds any old, duplicate, temporary, or maybe even program files that you don't use anymore, and it'll take them off your computer for you to give you a little extra boost. So now we want to go over to Chrome and type in ccleaner.com. From there, we want to scroll down a little ways and click on the free download. This will bring us to a new page where we can begin to download the application. Once that is done, your computer will ask you, where do you want to save this file? I usually tend to save my files that I'm downloading in downloads. After that, a screen will pop up asking if this application is allowed to make changes to your computer. Go ahead and click yes. From there, the application will begin to download and install onto your computer. After that, it'll begin to run its first health check. Once the health check is ran, it'll have a few things at the bottom. It'll say privacy, disk, security, and speed. Now, speed and security are not offered through the free application, but privacy and disk space are. So go ahead, click make it feel better, and it'll go and clean up all of those things for you under those categories.